Yes. What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel once again. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my best ichimoku trading strategy that works. So, guys, my ichimoku trading strategy, I use it to enter a trade, and on my chart right now, you can see it running profit of over 3,000 US dollar. So it's running 3,470 US dollar right now on my chart right now. So, guys, I want to show you guys how I trade using this strategy, so step by step, and how I got this entry. So, and I took the trade, and currently it's running over 3,000 US dollar. So, guys, you can see the entry where I entered this trade from. So you can see where I entered this trade from 107.865. So, guys, let me show you guys step by step how I do this, and I'll also explain this strategy for you guys so that you also can make money using this strategy also. So, guys, my ichimoku trading strategy is very easy. It's very easy. So, and I want to show it to you guys free today on my channel, and also you can see the proof running profit on my screen right now. So, guys, how did I got this entry? So this is how I use ichimoku. So whenever the ichimoku is below my chart, I will look for long position, but there are still some conditions to be met before I enter my long position. There are still technicalities involved, so I'm going to teach you guys. So whenever the ichimoku is below my chart, I will be looking for long position, and whenever the ichimoku is above my chart, I will be looking for short position. So first of all, I would love to first show you guys my ichimoku settings. So first of all, on your main chart, you will search for ichimoku. So you will add it to your indicator. So you will put this adjustment. So the only adjustment you will need to do, you will fill it. So let me put it to default. So if you add the ichimoku, this is how it's going to look like. So but then we will make some adjustment. So we will fill it. So you click on this fill box, so it should be filled. Then the Tekansen should be the color of your chart, the Kijun-sen should be the color of your chart, the up Kumo, leave it, and the down Kumo, leave it, and the Chico span, you have to turn it to color of your chart. So you're only using the up Kumo and the down Kumo. So you will click done, and this is how it's going to look like on your chart exactly. So whenever it's below our chart, we'll be looking for long position, and whenever it's above our chart, we'll be looking for short position. But I told you there are still some technicalities involved, and I'm going to show you guys free today. So, guys, whenever the chart start moving higher on the ichimoku like this, so then we will start looking for long position. So whenever it's close up outside the ichimoku like this, we will start looking for long, but we don't just enter like that. We wait for it to go and come back to the near the ichimoku or the ichimoku, then we'll take our long position around here. So then it will move up. There are still examples I'm going to show you guys. There are still, but this is exactly how I got this particular one. This is exactly how I got this particular one. So it's very easy, guys. Whenever we see it moving higher, just leave it, don't enter yet. Wait for it to come back before you enter. Then when you enter, it will move up. So then you will place your stop loss outside this ichimoku like this, outside this ichimoku. So we are risking small thing to get big thing. So this is how we trade using this strategy. So I told you I still have some examples to show you guys. I still have some example. You can see an example currently on my chart right now. So as the chart move below the ichimoku, you don't just enter here yet. You wait for it to go back. So you will enter around here. So then you see what happened. It dropped very well. So you see, this is what I'm talking about. So when it's moving higher like this, it close outside upper like this, don't enter it. Don't enter, leave it to go up, then let it come back. When it come back, so you will enter. So then you place your stop loss below here. So, and your take profit should be, your take profit when using the 15-minute time frame should be at least 30 to 50 pips. So 30 to 50 pips is the lowest take profit you should use. So guys, this is how we trade using this strategy. So guys, you can see currently on my chart right now, I'm making a profit of 4,000 US dollar now, and I want to close it now. So I want to close it. I want to close all the trades now with over $4,000 profit. So this is a very huge profit, guys. This is a very huge profit. So and I want you also to make money from the forex market just the way I'm doing also. So that's why I've decided to share it with you guys free of charge today on my YouTube channel. I don't charge money. I share it with you guys free of charge. It's totally free. So you go to your chart, you add it, so and then you begin practice it on demo for some times, then you will start trading on real account also. So guys, I closed this trade with a profit of 4,335 US dollar. So and the account is also 4,000 US dollar. So I grew the account to 8,960 US dollar now. Very easy, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.